Stand back. Here we go. What do we say? Save us. Melvin. Save us. Thank you. Here we go.
Look at the lava, Jack.
Jack. Lava. Look how funny. Dude, look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Lava. Volcano. Dude, that was...
Come, yiayia, come, lava.
How are we doing?
Lava.
How are we doing?
That was cool.
One more.
Did you see it, Jack?
Yeah.
That's like a real
Did we do
volcano.
good?
That's like a real volcano.
No, I want more, yiayia.
Jack, what is this called? What is this called?
Lava.
Yeah. And what is this called?
Volcano. Don't touch it.
Ooh, why is it? Why no touch it?
Why no touch? Because it's hot.
You're right.
That was crazy! Jack, did you see that?
Explosions. Oh my God, it's going good.
Whoa! Look out, Jackie. Here it comes, here it comes.
Here goes, here goes.
Dude, that's crazy. One more. Here it comes.
Here goes
Stand back,
again.
stand back, stand back.
And not again.
That's an eruption. That's an eruption.
Don't do that again.
They're doing it again.
Look out, Jack. Look out. That was an eruption.
Hey, Jack, is this cool?
Yes. Look, I'm volcano. Let's look.
What do we say to Yiayia?
Good job.
You're the
Before we
best,
make a
guy.
baby one.
Thank you.
You know, if we make a baby one and we